There are a lot of things to familiarize yourself with when you start at Ohio State. That includes the information in the student agreement you signed before receiving your Digital Flagship technology kit. With that in mind, let's walk through a refresher of what it means to own your new iPad. By now you've received your iPad, Smart Keyboard, Apple Pencil, and protective case. We've also included a group of free and paid apps in the self-service app, which you can think of as an Ohio State App Store. During your time at Ohio State, we'll continue to add items to self-service, so check back often. While you're expected to be a careful and responsible device owner, we know things happen. That's why we've provided 3 years of AppleCare Plus that covers both manufacturer defects and accidental damage to your iPad. If your device needs an extensive repair, you'll be responsible for a $49 repair cost, up to 2 times in 3 years. AppleCare Plus covers the rest. Visit go.osu.edu/dfhelp for the repair location nearest to you. Your Apple Pencil and Smart Keyboard are covered under manufacturer warranty for 1 year. If they stop working, visit go.osu.edu/dfhelp for replacement instructions. You'll be responsible for replacing them if they're lost or stolen. If your iPad is stolen, you'll need to notify us and file a police report. At your request, we'll disable your device, a tracking mechanism will initiate, and a return message will appear on the iPad screen. If it is returned, we'll reissue the iPad to you. In the meantime, you'll be issued a loaner device that you can use while you're a student at Ohio State. You'll need to return it at graduation. If the loaner is lost or stolen, you'll be responsible for the replacement cost. We keep track of your device along with thousands of others with a mobile device management system called Jamf. This software allows us to keep your device secure, provide apps, and lock in case of theft or illegal activity. While this management system does collect data on which apps you've downloaded to your iPad, it doesn't provide data on when, where, or how you use these apps. During your time at Ohio State, we encourage you to use your iPad for note-taking in class, student org meetings, making music and digital art, and that movie marathon with your roommate. You can also take it with you over breaks and the summer. Activities that are not allowed on your iPad include downloading a third-party app store, trying to remove the mobile device management system, and any illegal activities. The mobile device management system will alert us if any of these occur, and we will reset or disable your device. So what happens when it's time to leave Ohio State? If you leave before graduating, you'll need to return your iPad or pay for the accessories and your device. If you choose to keep your iPad, the amount you pay will change depending on how long you've had your device. For more information, visit go.osu.edu/value chart. Otherwise, when you graduate from Ohio State, ownership of the iPad and accessories transfers to you. We'll remove the device management and you'll be free to use the iPad in your post-grad life. For more information about iPad policies and responsibilities, visit go.osu.edu/sta. And visit the Digital Flagship Handbook at go.osu.edu/digitalhandbook. If you have questions, email us anytime at digitalflagship@osu.edu.